Hi guys, this is Sherry from Sherry's Bag of Holding. Sorry, that's the dogs. They've decided to make their presence known. I was trying to get quiet so y'all can hear the South African birds. Let's see. Maybe at the field. You hear it? They're very loud. They come around here in the afternoon too, because they live here. This is their home. Well, not my home, but you know, the area. Anyways, they also like cooked rice. Because let their cooked rice out there when I don't empty the pot, you know. By the way, we were kept warm by the Miss K shawl, as usual. Ugh. You can't tell, but there's a little gold sparklies in the shawl. I think this is shawl Nobel. Alright, for today's advent calendar, we're going to do the element one first, which is the stone one. Oh, there's 15, 16, 17, 18. There's 13. Oh, that's another little square. Hey Google, what's today's date?
It's Tuesday, December 13th, 2022.
Oh, I think today I'm supposed to start the menorah. Come on, this little tiny square. Alright, got it. I'm going to take the little thing off. Well, this doesn't look like a... Oh, by the way, when I was telling you about that little square, this is what was in it. This is a big old rock, right? This thing's huge. Although this has patterns on it. You know, it could be a really dark sodalite. Because if you see, there's actual patterns on it. The sun's starting to come up. Better hurry up. Okay, how am I going to get this out of there? Why did they put... Oh. Whoa, that came really easy. I retract my statement. This one is actually not too big. This one is rose quartz. This is tumbled rose quartz. Gotta love those stones. I think I have run out of room in my bag. That's okay. I'll just make a bag myself. By the way, I'm so proud of myself. I was able to get the snowman listed on... Oh, somebody's setting off fireworks. Shh. Oreo, come here. Shh. Oreo, let me finish my video. Shh. That's a no. Pause. Alright, quick, let's finish before they set off more fireworks. Why are they setting off fireworks? Okay, this is the bag from Freeze Baby Fiber Frolics. Cindy, my buddy. My finger caught on that one. Let's just squeeze it all out. Like toothpaste. We got gummies, which are great. These make an excellent afternoon snack. Then you don't eat too much either. You're like, oh, gummies. Oh, pretty blue yarn. Awesome. I'm planning on taking this yarn. It's actually a dusty rose, not a bright rose. But it looks like a bright rose with a light. And trying to make excuse me, trying to make a snowman. Maybe if I do it with this and this, that would work out really good. I also got a color wheel from Miss Billy in Sarasota. I messaged her, but she hasn't seen it, so that's okay. She just hasn't got the chance to see it. Well, it sounds like they're done setting off fireworks. The parrots are out there just talking away. It's so cute. Alright, y'all. Love you guys very much. Like, subscribe, comment. If you want your name on the healing candle, you have to comment. I'm not a mind reader. I mean, I can try. Professor X here, but I'm not a mind reader. Talk to y'all later.